Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Evernote offline. Many users don't realize this feature and it's extremely useful when you have no internet connection. First, understand offline availability. Offline access works best on Evernote Premium or paid plans. Free users have very limited offline support, mostly on mobile. Step 1, download notebooks for offline use. On mobile, open Evernote settings, go to offline notebooks, and select the notebooks you want. This downloads notes to your device. Step 2, keep notes synced before going offline. Make sure Evernote finishes syncing while you're online. Otherwise, recent changes won't be available offline. Step 3, work normally offline. You can read notes, create new notes, edit text, and check tasks without internet. Everything saves locally on your device. Step 4, avoid heavy attachments offline. Large PDFs or files may not fully load offline. Open them once online so they're cached. Step 5, sync after reconnecting. Once internet is back, Evernote will automatically sync your offline changes. Um, Keep the app open until syncing completes. Step 6, handle conflicts carefully. If you edit the same note on two devices offline, conflicts may appear. Review and merge changes manually. So yeah, using Evernote offline is about downloading notebooks, syncing before offline, editing safely, and syncing again online. Follow these steps, and you can work anywhere without interruption. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.